Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to make a selection using the color range. Over the last several lessons we have learned different ways of making selections using appropriate method or tools according to the situation. Yet another method to create selections is to create a selection based on a color range. To do this, select the layer, go to select menu and click on color range. We get this window. Now pick this eyedropper and start selecting. We can see a preview here. We can add to selection with the add eyedropper tool. You can also change this selection preview from none to grayscale. Our canvas changes to the same matte as this thumbnail, or you can go to black matte. It changes everything to black except the selection, the white matte or the quick mask. I like to stay on grayscale and just click and drag over the selection. If there are areas that you do not want, just take this negative eyedropper tool and start deselecting. You can play with this fuzziness value. If you make it too much low, then you will see these gaps and the jagged edges, and if you make it too high, it can select the unwanted elements in the scene. So just play with it and keep it where you feel comfortable. I think it's okay for me. I'll select this color as well. I'll select this color. I'll select this color here. Okay. Now you can see that we have some unwanted selections. We can just delete them by using any of the selection tool. Let's see. I'll take this elliptical marquee tool and use this negative one and just delete the selection, remove the selections. Now that I've got my selection, I'll use my adjustments, hue and saturation again. I'll just set it to another color. Okay, deselect, control D to deselect. So this color range comes handy to select a range of colors. We can also make a selection around our subject and then choose the color range so that none of the elements outside the subjects are selected. I am making a rough selection around my subject. Now go to select color range. Now if you take this plus eyedropper tool and start selecting, you can see that it's not going outside this selection. It's selecting the pixels inside this selection. Click OK and we have got a pretty good selection. That's all for this lesson friends. See you at the next lesson.